this video for presenting my project for engineering programming. So, first of all, my name is Iqbal HANAFI bin RAHIM. I'm from section 6. My lecturer is Dr. Muhammad Zaini bin Yunus. Okay, for the introduction. Okay, for the semester we learn about the C programming, which is C language, which will help us in making a coding to make a program in a C++. So we learn many basic skills of C, such as variables, loops, functions, and arrays, and so many more others. But in this project, we are required to find out a problem which regarding to mechanic of machine course, which is that we take from the last semester as the main reference for our individual project. So in this presentation, we are discussing about the program that being created to solve the problem that we find out. So next, for the problem statement. From the chapter, I take the problem from the chapter 1 and chapter 2 from the mechanic of machine, which is the gear system and belting. So for the first chapter, which is gear, I'm focusing on the ratio and efficiency. For the second chapter, which is belting, I'm focusing on the approximate value of approximate length of the belt, how to find the length of the belt. So I relate for the next problem is I relate how to relate these two course, which is mechanical machine and programming, to solve the problem. So next, for the objective, find out the value of gear ratio efficiencies based on the teeth at the top of the gear that user key into the system. Next, to find the approximate length of the belt, which is from user to information that user insert to the program, which is the pulley radius and the distance between the two pulley. Next, making the flowchart, and last but not least, relate both course and perform proper coding to make a proper program. Okay. Now I will explain about my flowchart. This is my full program flowchart, which is consists of the gear and the belt. So now we can see here the program will start. After that, we will get the input, and next it will enter the condition. I have two conditions here, which is if m equals to 1, it will go to the gear function. If no, it will enter another condition, which m is equals to 2, and it will enter the belt function. If the user not input these two conditions, it will automatically end the system. So if both of these will, after that, at the end will display output, then end the system. So next, for my gear, my gear function, it will start with the gear, and you can see here the for loop, which is condition h equals to 0. We will enter the condition, which is h less than 4. If less than 4, yes, it will ask the user to enter the teeth number. If then enter another condition, which if the array less than 0, if yes, it will display to enter the value more than 0 and get the teeth number again. If no, the condition will update, which is h++, and enter the condition here again, which is hash less than 4. After the loop end, we will enter the equation here, which is ratio 1 to ratio 3 4, to get the ratio 1 2 and ratio 3 4 by using the input that user enter. So next, if we enter another condition to get the top, which is same like before, which is less than 4, and enter the condition, get the top, and if enter another condition which yh less than 0 to get the correct value from the user, and it will update by h plus plus. So it will loop again until the condition h less than 4 reach the wrong one. So after that, if the after the loop here end, we enter the equation part, which is top 1, top 2, top 3, and top 4, and get the efficiency 1, 2, and efficiency 3, 4 by the formula. So it will, after that, at the end, it will display the efficiency, efficiency 1, 2, and efficiency 3 and 4, and end the program. So next, for belt system, we will display here for output first, display option 1 and 2, then get the input here. So enter the two condition. If v equals to 1, it will display the distance and radius to and ask the user to put the input, which is the input here is radius and the distance. So next, it will calculate by using the formula equation here for the length of belt and display. So if user enters 2, which is for the second condition, second option, sorry, it will display the same thing, which is to ask the user enter the distance and radius. So first it will get the distance. After that, it will enter the for loop here condition, which set s equals to 0, and enter the condition s less than 2 to loop here to get the distance. So it will loop again to ask the user to input another radius. So I set here radius 1 equals to r0 and radius 2 equals to r1. Next, for the belt, it will for the length of belt, it will calculate by the formula, and at the end it will display the system. And here it will end the program. After that, if the user want to use again, user need to run the program again. Now I will show my program. I will run my program in C++. Okay. As you can see here, this is my coding, which is included by the ratio, function ratio, belt ratio, and main ratio here. So you can see this is my program. Okay, now I will try to compile and run. Okay, now this is the program will show this. This is the hello, this is the kind of machine, and we have two options, which is gear and belt. So if I choose one input, one which is gear, so it will show, it will go to the gear function and show this, which is we need to insert the number of gear teeth. So I will try to input. If I insert the wrong value, which is in negative form, it will show it will display the system will display please enter the value more than 0. So if we still key in the wrong value, it will show the statement again until we insert the correct value. Okay, so I will enter the correct value now. which is first 67, 76 for number of gear is 2, 3, 78, and last 45. Okay, now the system will calculate the gear ratio, which is ratio of gear 1 to 2 is 0.88 and ratio of gear 3 to 4 is 1.73. Now we need to enter the top for the next calculation, but it will be the same if we input the wrong number, which is negative. It will display enter value more than 0. So I will put the correct value 12 second 412 13 43 and 65. So it will display top 1 equals 412, top 2 13, top 3 43, top 4 65, and after that it will calculate the efficiency of gear 1 and 2, which is 27.94, and efficiency of gear 3 and 4 is 1.15. So after that the system will end. Okay, let's say I choose number 2, which is belt. So you will display belting system, which consists of pulley with equal radius and pulley with unequal radius. So let's say I choose number 1. So it will show we need to insert the distance between two pulleys. So I will input the 56 meter 45. So we will calculate our value using the formula. So we get our back length is 112. Okay, next the system will end. So if I compile it again and I choose belt, pulley with unequal radius 2, so it will ask the same requirement, which is key in the distance between two pulley. Let's say I will input the 56, key in the radius 67, radius 1 and radius 2. So my backline will be 926.47. This is my program. So that's all for doing the system for my program that consists of ratio function and belt function. Okay, that's all for my coding. So as the conclusion, I can say that from throughout the semester, I already achieved to understand about the basic of the C language, which can allow me to make the coding and to run the program to solve the current issue, which is about the mechanic of machine. So here I'm really glad to say thank you to Dr. Zaini, because of being so kind that to teach us the programming until we can run our own individual project. With that, I thank you.